Hello everybody, it's Abigail with Pinkstone Threads. I hope you're doing well today. And today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing YarnYay, the monthly subscription box by Vicky Howell. So this is my first YarnYay. I am very excited to open it and see what's inside. Alright, so we have our box here. And I went ahead and cut the tape so I'd have a little bit of an easier time with it. Got some gorgeous tissue paper. So this is box number 45, January 2022. And it looks like this is a little pattern booklet. So this month's theme, I won't try to show too much, but it's cabled hats. So got some, it looks like a crochet and a knitted version. So that's awesome. Then we also have some wool wash, some soak. The scent is yuzu. So that's interesting. I've not tried this specific one before, so that's exciting. And then we have our yarn. This feels very nice, very soft to the touch, kind of silky, almost like an alpaca. So it looks like this is 100% fine Highland wool, 50 grams, and this is color lot number 479339 from Blue Sky Fibers, made in Peru. So the type of yarn is woolstock light fingering. So it's very nice. It's got a nice tonal color to it. So I'm definitely excited to work with that. I think that would be a nice hat. I am always tempted to make socks with fingering, but I'm trying to branch out a bit more, but it feels very, very nice. All right. Ooh, cool. There's a little pin that says "You Do You, VickyHowell.com." So that's exciting. That's one of my first knitting pins. It might even be my first knitting pin, so that's exciting. And then last up, it looks like we have, oh cool, it's a tote bag. That's awesome. So it says "Yay, YarnYay 2022. So that's perfect. It'll be perfect to carry around my YarnYay projects in this upcoming year. So has a nice cork fabric bottom. It does feel a little thin, but I think cork's pretty durable, so it should hold up pretty nicely. And yeah, I definitely think that, I think overall I did the 3-month subscription plan. So each box is about $33 or so, 33 to 35. So I definitely feel like I got my value, and I'm excited to try out a new project. I could either do the knit or the crochet version. I think this one's the crochet. So yeah, I think I'll definitely consider using the pattern and trying this out, and I'm excited about these extra little goodies as well in the bag. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with my YarnYay box for January 2022.